everybody out there, it's Wake Angel 2001. There might be some noise in this video because we are pet sitting. My aunts and cousins' dogs, Miko and Sadie, are coming to visit. But I did receive something in the mail. The thing is, I'm not sure if this was sent to me by a wannabe commissioner or if it's the thing I got for myself from eBay. So this is going to be a surprise for all of us. Okay, so I just gotta get out the scissors and cut into this little envelope that's from the Duck Company. You know, the people that make duct tape, but they call it duct tape. You don't know it with a K instead of a T. Alright. Ah yes, this is indeed the thing that I got for myself from eBay. So, yes. Alright, so it's no secret that I have come to realize that the Loyal Subjects Action Vinyls line has been a very useful line to make custom figures, particularly Sonic the Hedgehog figures in the Jakks Pacific scale. And the thing is that they've been making Loyal Subjects figures for quite a while, and some of them are, you know, just kind of out of the loop. Ah, yes. So, this one is from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles line. Obviously, they're homaging the original comic from the 80s instead of anything from the cartoons or more recent stuff. And I found that Karai made a pretty decent blank female buck. The thing is, it's an older model figure, so one drawback, no knees. That is unfortunate. Kind of like the Chitara figure that I got for myself a long time ago. Interesting story on eBay. My first idea was to get the April O'Neil figure. April O'Neil from this line, even without packaging, more than $50. Karai, who, by the way, is made using the same basic body buck, just with a different head and a color scheme, 10. So, yeah, April O'Neil figure will cost 5 times more than this. I just wanted to throw that out there because I thought that was kind of fun. So yeah, Karai is a very good blank female buck, aside from the fact that she has no knee articulation. But you know, she is shapely. She has a pretty good physique. I'm gonna see what I can make with her. And apparently, she comes with a pretty significant accessory stash. Wow, look at this. Huh? The accessory baggie is unopened, so the person who has this, even though she doesn't have her box, like, her accessories were never taken out. And this is her collector card. Karai. Her name means spicy or harsh. Her abilities are deadly ninja skills. Her weapons are the katana and the longbow. She is an elite ninja assassin affiliated with the Foot Clan. Of course, anybody knows from the cartoons that Karai's relationship with the Turtle crew becomes pretty darn complicated. Sometimes she takes over the Shredder and becomes a new antagonist, like in the new 2003 series. Sometimes they make up. Sometimes... Oh! There's the dogs, just like I thought. Good thing I warned you guys, or else you'd be wondering, Wake Angel, when do you get a new dog? Okay, so let's get the accessories out and just take a quick look. Yeah. Alright, so... Oh, look at that. There is a scabbard, which the katana goes into very neatly. And then... it... Yes. It does pin to her back. Although... yeah, that's actually kind of cool. Kind of like that. Alright. And then the other accessory is a quiver. Oh wow, look at that. Actual little arrows. And there's 2 of them. Ooh, and they're really pointy too. Miko and Sadie are suburb dogs, so they're not used to noises that you hear outside of an apartment window in the city. So every little thing tends to set them off. Okay. And it can go onto her back. And then she has a little bow. That is actually a nice bow. That is a very cute little bow. I mean, this is like stiff plastic, so it's not like a stretchable little string, so it's not like you can actually fire anything. But I kind of like the idea that we have a bow at all. It's very cutely made. They could have gone without the bow. The katana was a nice enough accessory by itself, but you know what? They went the extra mile. And that actually fits in her hand pretty well. Let's see. Yeah. Can she actually hold those arrows? Cause those okay, those arrows are tiny. Ow. And just kind of hook it into her thumb and it rests there. She can't exactly knock an arrow in this thing. But still, it's very nice. Very nice figure. Ah, yes. The jar of pennies. I figured out that we can stop them from barking by shaking a jar of pennies. Mom obviously found it. Alright, so this is just a quick little thing that I got for myself. Can she hold the sword easily? She has semi-open hands, so I'm guessing you just kind of wedge it in past her fingers. Yeah, guess you can kind of put the sword and the katana in her hand too. Yeah, very nice figure. Very cute. Very busty, actually. I do not remember Karai being this busty. Also, she can also be... Right, she was kind of like Leonardo's love interest, and she mutated into a snake. But because they wanted to keep her marketable as a love interest, they had her be the kind of mutation where she can shapeshift back and forth between a human form. You know, because that's a thing that all mutants can do. Although I do think they made like the last season of the original cartoon do that. Like they had the thing with the mutation, the mutagen became unstable, so the turtles were still mutating, and if they got an adrenaline surge, then it would make them go into like a big, hulky, spiky turtle form that was more powerful. And a human dude accidentally spilled some of the unstable mutagen on himself, so he kind of would hulk out. When he was in a pinch, he would mutate into like the new fighter guy for that series. But most of the time he could stay in his human form as long as he kept his cool. Yeah. Alright. So, that is the story of Karai, and how I came to have her. This is Wake Angel 2001 signing off. Actually, before I sign off, I want to say something about the build quality. This is one of the Loyal Subjects action vinyls from 2014. At least that's what the copyright date is. So, this is like a 7-year-old Loyal Subjects toy. And, like, there's single ball joints in the shoulders, so this is about as far outward movement as you can get. But also the legs are really constricted. Like, there is a ball joint in there, but it seems like the leg is not optimally molded for it, so like that's pretty much all the movement I can get out of it, and like I can't even get it to come forward. Like, it literally just rotates around. Like, there's very little actual movement and posability you can get with that leg. It can only go outward. It cannot go forward or backwards a significant amount. Compared to a more recent action vinyl that they made, like Froppy, like, not only does it have knee joints, but she can actually move her legs well enough that she can kick or like run. You know, she has like a range and maneuverability in her joints. Not to mention, like, modern day ones use pin disc shoulders that afford more room, more posability. So yes, there has been a definite improvement in the action vinyl quality in the years that they've been making them. So yeah, like, good on Loyal Subjects for actually improving their designs. But you know what? I think I can still manage. I'm gonna have to put her away a little more carefully later. I think I can still manage to make something cool with that, so I don't know. We'll figure that out later. Wake Angel 2001 signing off.